In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery. Now click on this switcher next to performance mode in order to activate it. As you can see, my switcher is blue. That means that high performance is now enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!